said an hour worth of.
It's a long way to come for a 20-minute hike.
Good drive, but good drive.
Move so fast, we make it last. Chasing time, it's running past. We race the sun, no time to stray. Burning bright,
Smiling.
My leaf protection. Hopefully there's no
fire, come what may. Keep the rhythm all the way.
Sorry. I think it's about 20 past 12. I know your watch.
Clocks tick loud, the world won't wait. Every step decides our fate. Hearts on fire, no room for doubt. In this race, we're breaking out. We race the sun, no time to stray. Burning bright, we light the day. Through the fire, come what may. Keep the rhythm all the way. Feet hit the ground, the pulse is strong. Chasing the echoes all along. No looking back, no turning round. The thrill of life is what
Wow.
we found. We race the sun, no time to stray. Burning bright, we light
Probably not a spectacular waterfall, but
the fire, come what may. Keep the rhythm all the way.
of the fall, as you got down the bottom,
Because it's a pretty tall fall.
yeah. The track's alright too. It's not like a made track like some of the other ones have been, but
Rivers flow, the birds sing. Nature's here, it's everything. Oh, nature's all around. In every sight, in every
Ralph Falls.
Falls number 2, Ralph Falls.
What did you think?
Pretty good. Walking was good. Track was good.
Walking was good because I told you it was an hour return. It was only 20 minutes.
Anyway, people are coming. It was pretty good. Bye.
The view was awesome.
every day a new fun.
I feel like they can do both.
Flowers bloom, colors bright. Nature shines pure and light. Oh, nature's all around. In every sight, in every sound.
I didn't leave it on the whole time.
From the sea to the
I've been to Paddock.
it's beautiful everywhere. Soft breeze, warm sun. Every day a new fun.
I'm happy to do some chips or something.
Flowers bloom, colors bright. Nature shines pure and light. Pure and light. Oh, nature's all around. In every sight, in every sound. From the sea to the sun. It's beautiful everyone.
I think about accommodation options.
All its wonders, wild and free. Enjoy, sing along to this nature-loving tune. Mountains, bright skies, mountains high, flowers fly.